Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, today we will talk about how to invest in mutual funds. In last few sessions, we have seen what is mutual fund, what are the ways, but today we will decide that what should be our line of action to invest in mutual funds. The first thing whenever we are investing in mutual fund, that we should plan first. We should decide the target, that for what goal we are doing this investment. It can be daughter's marriage, it can be their education, it can be our retirement planning, it can be for home, it can be for car, it can be for holidays, it can be for anything. We need to decide, we need to finalize the goal first, that after how many years we have to reach to that target. Once the goal is decided, the next important thing which one should check, risk appetite. How much risk one can take is important to choose mutual fund scheme. If your age is 20, 22, 25 and you are planning for your retirement, and retirement age you have decided is at 55, so you are having 30 years in your hand, no liabilities as of now, you are having your own residence which you are owning, then your risk appetite is high, you can take whatever risk you want. If your age is 30, you are having some liabilities, your goal is after 15-20 years, time is with you, but with some liabilities, some other things you have to cater, then your risk is moderate. And if risk appetite is moderate, if your age is 40-45 and if you want to plan something just after 5-6-7 years, that means you cannot take much risk, it means your risk appetite is very low. With this, if you are finalizing your risk appetite, then only you can decide whether to go for equity, whether to go for equity and debt, combination of equity and debt, or whether to go for debt or any other thing. So risk appetite is important, understanding risk profiling everyone should do. Once the risk profiling is done, your planning is done, then we will come to know that after so many years we want some 60 lakh rupees, we are having 20 years in hand, so we can, if our pocket permits, we will put one time, or we will put yearly, or we will put SIP of every month. So it will decide only after doing this exercise. How can you invest? You can contact your IFA, you can contact there are wealth counters in every bank, you can contact your brokers, you can invest directly also. Nowadays offline transactions are banned, you can do all these transactions either through AMC website, or most of the IFAs are having nowadays online portals, or you can use some online mobile applications from which you can invest. And all the online transaction you can ask to do it from BSC Star online platform, which most of the IFAs uses. So today we have seen that basic chronology or basic thing, that how one can invest in mutual funds. Next session we will see if your risk appetite is high, then which equity scheme is suitable to you. Thank you very much for liking our sessions. Don't forget to write your name along with your email address in the comment section, and don't forget to say thanks to BSc IPF and SEBI also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.